Hi, I'm Luke, and today we'll be opening this Thomas & Friends Take-n-Play Porter. If we look at his face, we'll notice it's his cheerful one with his bushy eyebrows. If we look at the sides of the funnel, we'll notice there's the little gold star. He also has 3 wheels on each side, as well as his nameplate. He also has diagonal stripes and 3 domes. Let's go ahead and see what he looks like going on the tracks. Whoa, let's see that one again in slow motion. Wow, Porter was fun to play with. I hope we get to play with someone just as fun next time. Thanks for watching. Now, you can watch another one of my Thomas & Friend videos, or one of my other friends' videos. Our pictures are always in the corner like these 4 examples. And please, don't forget to subscribe.